What's going on, everyone? It's Ben with Buy It, Break It, Fix It, and today we're going to wrap up the ultimate Trx-4 Sport Build-Off Challenge with Axiomatic, all presented by D&D, so stick around. Okay, so the Build-Off Challenge series is all over. We asked the viewers or subscribers to vote on which team you thought took the last challenge. This was the third challenge. So the blue team lost. The blue team lost. I'm sorry, Big Blue. You didn't take this one, buddy. So congratulations to the red team. Congratulations, Axiomatic. You were a great competitor. I had a blast just doing all this with you. The interaction with all the subscribers and back and forth between the channels is just amazing. I appreciate everything. D&D Sports, as you know, we couldn't have done any of this without you, and we all appreciate what you've done for us. Yeah, if you have any Traxxas needs, go check out D&D Sports. Has a link to his website and all that stuff and his About section on his channel, so go check him out. If you haven't already checked out Axiomatic RC, go check him out. He has an awesome channel. He uploads way more than what I upload. So if you're looking for some good content of a variety of different things, any from Tamiya King Hauler to Trx-4 to road cars, all that kind of stuff, he does a little bit of everything. He's a super great guy, so go check him out. So just a quick overview. Everybody knows everything I've done for the sport, you know, all the aluminum stuff and the 400 high torque servo, all that stuff. So what I didn't really go over 100% was, I mentioned it before on the last video, but the shock setup on here, I used the lift kit springs, I used the lift kit shocks, but I used the stock springs on here. So like right now would be like, that's full droop setup, like if you were coming off of something and a tire dropped. So with that setup, I have this gap here with my springs. So what I did was on the bottom, see if I can find a place you can see that. On the bottom there, I just hot glued a little bit. I did lose a bunch of these spring retainers out on the course, so I just had to hot glue them there. So that's the setup that I took, was the all droop setup, and I like it. I think it does pretty good with the droop setup like that. It definitely keeps all the weight down low where you need it. So, and like for example, the servo, I mean, it'll take that no problem. Trying to see if I have anything else here, just to let you know, a size comparison. Can of Mountain Dew, it'll take that no problem. I think the can of Mountain Dew is about it. You could probably go, yeah, I mean, it's just not even worth it. The can of Mountain Dews, and that's all three tires still on the ground. So I do like that setup. The setup does pretty good. I had it out on the crawling course at amateur hour, and it did really well. So I had one person pushing me to do this droop setup ever since he found out that I had the lift kit on it, and that was JRodz RC. Go check out his channel. Really awesome, super guy. He's always good for, you know, a good little tidbit of pro, we'll call it pro secrets. You know, he's been in the hobby for a little while now, so he's not new to the hobby. So another thing I was looking at, and somebody can tell me, but there's something I noticed on the sport bumper that I had question about, because just real quick, when I first got my Defender, and you know, I was one of the first to get the Defender. So I got my Defender, and we're down the hobby shop, and I was looking at it, and I was like, oh, look at these posts here. I was like, Traxxas doesn't do something for no reason. And I was like, I'll bet you they're coming out with something for the posts. And sure enough, they came out with the power pack for the posts to power the lights. So here's my other question about this. My question is, what is this for? What are these holes for? On the bottom front bumper. There's 2 holes down there. Something's gonna mount on there. Traxxas is gonna come out with something else. You quote me. You quote me. They're gonna come out with something else for this. I guarantee it. They don't do things for no reason. They always have a purpose for doing things. So there's 2 holes there that look like something's gonna be mounted at a later date. So let's keep our eyes out for that. Another guy that's helped me out a lot with the you know, just going to these meetups and all that kind of stuff, and I'll end up going to my first comp with him. But Rekkr RC, I'll put a link to his channel down in the description also. Super guy. Let's go show them some buy, break and fix it love. JRodz RC and Rekkr RC, and really good friends of mine. They're in my Facebook group. They actually go live in the Facebook group once a week and do like little pro tips and all that stuff, tips and tricks, or updates, or you know, anything going on in the RC world that might be new or something major going on. So there you go. Once again, we want to send our congratulations out to the red team. Good job, Axiomatic. All right. So I'm sorry, Big Blue, you got some more work to do if you want to hang with the red team. I still love you, but the red team schooled you. It's been an awesome series. Thank you, D&D Sports. I appreciate it. Thank you, Axiomatic, for allowing me to be part of this with you. And yeah, show those other channels some love, and let's have fun with the RC hobby. So, all right, now that we're done doing all Traxxas upgrades, I can finally put some other parts on this thing. I don't know, I got this Reefs Trx-4 sitting here. Oh yeah, might have to put that baby up on here. So we'll see. All right, everybody. That'll conclude the Ultimate Trx-4 Sport Build-Off Challenge with Axiomatic RC, all presented by D&D Sports. I hope you enjoyed it. Axiomatic and I were talking, and we're probably going to do something in the future again. So, all right, everybody, be good to people, and people will be good to you. Ben.